All right, so I'm gonna review this exit ticket and then you guys can go ahead. I'll leave the formative open so that you can go ahead and change your answer before I enter those in for a grade. Okay, so let's take a look at this. It says our task is to find EF, so this distance right here, right? Now you really can't do that because none of the extra information they give you pertains to EF yet. So really, your eyes should be looking at this side, right? And so you know, in terms of what they give you, notice what I highlighted. You have this length FH, right? From here to here is 12. And FG from here to here is 14 plus X, which leaves us with GH, right? And the way that we can express GH is by saying 12 minus 14 plus X, which you get here. And so if I distribute a negative and combine like terms, I get negative 2 minus X, and that's what GH is. Now that you have GH, there's two things that you can really consider, right? What do I have here? I have GH plus EG is equal to EH. That works too. Okay, so here's the deal, right? Because you have this informational piece right here, now look at the rest of the information that's giving you, like this line and this line, right? It's worth considering. Now that we have GH, we can think about it like this. This chunk, right, plus this chunk ultimately make up this entire chunk. And so that's what basically this is saying, right? And you have to really develop your eyes. GH is negative 2 minus X. EG is from here to here. So it's plus X plus 23 equals EH, which is from here to here. And it already tells us it's 26 plus X, okay? So from here, what you want to do is really combine like terms. These two cancel out, right? Negative X and X cancels out. So now it's negative 2 plus 23, which gives you positive 21 equals 26 plus X. At this point, you just subtract 26 on both sides. And X equals negative 5, okay? Once you have X equals negative 5, you got to take this X and now start plugging it in, okay, to each of these, because ultimately we still got to find EF. First, you want to find the length of EH, right? So 26, and that's the larger piece, so EH is basically 26 plus negative 5, which makes it 21. Great. At that point, you want to find out, you know that this longer piece is 21, now you want to find what FG is, right? And X is equal to negative 5, so FG is equal to 14 plus negative 5, which gives you positive 9. Great, you know the centerpiece is 9. And then finally, you know that GH is negative 2 minus, well, here, let's do GH equals negative 2 minus negative 5. That's going to be plus, so it's going to be 3. Great. So and we didn't really have to do this. We could have just done EH minus 12 to get the correct answer. 21 minus 12 is actually equal to 9. Or we could have done this, where we know that this is 21, and if you subtract 9, and if you subtract 3, which is the same thing as 21 minus 12, you're ultimately going to get 9 as the correct final answer. Okay, so EF is equal to 9.